Okay, guys, you're not going to believe this. Did you know that nearly 30% of men under 40 face challenges with their sexual performance? Well, today, we're uncovering some secrets to supercharge your sexual health and performance. From fruits that enhance blood flow to nuts that boost stamina, nature provides all you need for a healthier and more satisfying romantic life. Before we dive in, remember to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant changes. Let's kick things off with Section 1, Foods for Stronger Erections, starting with the refreshing summer favorite, watermelon. Fruit isn't just something to bring to a picnic. It offers more benefits than you might think. It contains citrulline, an amino acid that can help relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, much like how Viagra works. A study published in the Journal of Urology in 2011 found that citrulline supplements can enhance erection firmness in men with erectile dysfunction. The benefits of watermelon come from its ability to boost blood flow to erectile tissue, which is essential for maintaining an erection. Similarly, berries are high in flavonoids, particularly anthocyanins, which are powerful antioxidants that support blood circulation and vessel health. A comprehensive study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2016 suggests that a diet rich in flavonoid-rich foods, like berries, is associated with a reduced risk of erectile dysfunction. The research indicates that regularly consuming flavonoid-rich foods can improve cardiovascular health. And since vascular health is directly linked to erectile function, berries are an excellent dietary choice for those looking to enhance their sexual health. Bananas, known for their high potassium content, help regulate heart function and fluid balance, which are key factors in controlling erectile function. Potassium is crucial for heart health and smooth muscle contraction, enhancing the ability to maintain an erection by improving blood flow. Next, nuts and seeds, like walnuts, are great sources of the amino acid arginine, which the body converts into nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow, facilitating erections. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2015 found that regular consumption of walnuts improved endothelial function in individuals with high cholesterol, suggesting benefits for circulatory health that are also critical for erectile function. Pumpkin seeds are packed with zinc, a mineral essential for testosterone production and healthy sperm maintenance. According to research in the Nutrition Research and Practice Journal in 2013, zinc plays a vital role in modulating serum testosterone levels in men. Regularly including pumpkin seeds in your diet may help maintain adequate hormone levels, which is crucial for overall sexual health. Next, vegetables like spinach are not only nutrient powerhouses but also particularly rich in folate and magnesium, both of which are essential for healthy blood flow. A study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine in 2013 highlights the importance of folate in maintaining circulation. Magnesium, another key nutrient found in spinach, aids in the dilation of blood vessels, thereby promoting blood flow, which is crucial for achieving and maintaining an erection. Another important vegetable is the carrot, widely known for its health benefits. Carrots have been specifically linked to improved sperm quality and motility. Research published in the Journal of Fertility and Sterility in 2013 showed that men who consumed more carrots had better sperm performance. This improvement is likely due to the high levels of vitamin A in carrots, which is known to enhance sperm production and health. Section 2. Foods for enhancing stamina and duration. For enhanced stamina and duration, consider oysters. Oysters are famous for their high zinc content, which is crucial for testosterone production and sperm quality. Zinc not only boosts testosterone levels, but also increases sperm production, making oysters an excellent choice for improving sexual health. According to a study published in the Journal of Human Reproductive Sciences in 2013, higher zinc intake is linked to better semen quality in terms of concentration and motility. Lean meats like chicken, turkey, and lean cuts of beef are excellent sources of high-quality protein. Protein is essential for maintaining overall energy levels and stamina, which can contribute to improved sexual performance. Research published in the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism in 2017 suggests that diets higher in protein can help maintain muscle mass and strength, benefiting stamina both in and out of the bedroom. Finally, complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, and oats provide a sustained release of energy. These foods are excellent sources of complex carbohydrates that can help maintain energy levels over longer periods. Maintaining steady energy throughout the day is crucial for endurance and overall vitality. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition in 2018 highlighted that diets rich in whole grains improve metabolic health. This can indirectly support stamina and endurance by optimizing energy use and reducing fatigue. Similarly, sweet potatoes are not only delicious, but also a nutritional powerhouse rich in potassium. Potassium is vital for muscle health and proper function, helping regulate muscle contractions and minimize cramps during physical activity. The role of potassium in muscle health was emphasized in a study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition in 2016, which showed that adequate potassium intake is essential for maintaining muscle health and preventing fatigue during prolonged physical activities. Now let's move on to Section 3, Lifestyle Factors. Regular exercise is crucial for maintaining a healthy sexual life. It improves cardiovascular health, which is directly linked to sexual performance, as good blood flow is essential for strong erections. Additionally, exercise helps raise testosterone levels naturally, which can enhance libido. A landmark study published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine in 2015 found that men who engaged in regular physical activity reported better erectile function compared to those who led sedentary lifestyles. Adequate sleep is also fundamentally connected to sexual health. Lack of sleep can lead to a decrease in testosterone levels, negatively affecting libido and sexual performance. Research published in the Journal of the American Medical Association in 2011 demonstrated that sleep deprivation significantly reduces testosterone levels in healthy young men, underscoring the importance of getting enough rest. Another key factor is stress management, which is essential for maintaining sexual health. Chronic stress can interfere with sexual arousal and lead to erectile dysfunction. Techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and yoga have been shown to reduce stress levels and improve sexual function. A study published in the Journal of Behavioral Medicine in 2014 revealed that stress management techniques not only reduce stress, but also improve overall sexual satisfaction. Okay, guys, so now we move to Section 4, Myths versus Facts. Myth 1. Sexual enhancement products are a guaranteed quick fix. Fact. Many sexual enhancement products claim instant results, but their effectiveness is not always supported by scientific evidence. The FDA warns that some over-the-counter products may contain hidden ingredients that are unsafe. According to a review published in the Journal of Sexual Medicine in 2019, natural dietary changes can provide safer and potentially more effective long-term improvements in sexual health. Myth 2. Only prescription medications can improve erectile dysfunction. Fact. While prescription medications like sildenafil, Viagra, are effective for many men, lifestyle changes in diet can also play a significant role in improving erectile function. Research published in the European Journal of Nutrition in 2018 suggests that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and whole grains can improve erectile function without the side effects associated with some medications. Myth 3. Supplements are always safe and effective. Fact. Supplements marketed for sexual health can vary greatly in purity and potency, and not all are tested for safety or efficacy. It is important to consult healthcare professionals before starting any supplement regimen. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, recommends being cautious with supplements that promise quick sexual enhancement, citing the lack of consistent evidence and potential health risks. In today's video, we explored how natural foods like watermelon, berries, walnuts, and pumpkin seeds can enhance sexual health and performance by improving blood flow and hormone levels. We also discussed the importance of protein sources such as oysters and lean meats, and complex carbohydrates like whole grains and sweet potatoes for boosting stamina. We highlighted the importance of lifestyle factors such as regular exercise, sufficient sleep, and effective stress management in maintaining sexual health. Adopting healthy lifestyle habits and following a balanced diet are vital steps towards improving not only sexual health but also overall well-being. If you found this information helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts or experiences in the comments below. Your engagement helps us bring more useful content to you and others across the globe who are interested in information like this.